So my name is Troy Munro. I got my undergraduate, my master's, and part of my PhD at Utah State University, and I have a dual degree in physics and mechanical engineering from Utah State and KU Leuven in Belgium. So I'm a new assistant professor at BYU in the mechanical engineering department. One of the things in my lab we're trying to do is develop new instruments to measure the thermal behavior of materials, specifically in nuclear energy. So one thing that's really exciting is we're modifying a Blu-ray player to become a scanning fluorescent thermal microscope. And the intent on that is have something that's concrete that students can work with and try and apply something commercial into something that's not meant to have a Blu-ray player inside of it. And so we are using this Blu-ray to measure thermal conductivity of a nuclear fuel as it changes during its lifetime. Some of the previous work that I've worked on in the past, again, is using synthetic spider silk, measuring how well heat conducts through it, and demonstrating that you need to include all forms of heat transfer inside there to actually get a good property. Otherwise, you can say whatever number you want. So as a very, very specific example, let's look at the thermal behavior of materials. So the research question is, how can we measure material properties of nuclear fuels and claddings during and after operation? So we have those two approaches. One of them is to find out what's happened afterwards by modifying the Blu-ray player to get the thermal conductivity property out of a material and to scan across and see how it's changed from before and after. And then the other one is trying to combine methods that people have used before that work separately out of irradiation, but maybe combining them you can use the strengths and the weaknesses of the two different ones to support each other and fill in those gaps so that you can overcome the limitations that each of them face in a reactor. If you're interested in basically in trying to address some of nuclear energy or the energy industry's problems with some more down-to-earth methods and techniques, that's mine's the lab for you.